Prime numbers. By definition, prime numbers are those numbers that are divisible only by 1 and by themselves. Numbers that are not prime are composite. For example, 2 is a prime number as it is divisible by 1 and 2, while 4 is not a prime number, it is composite, as it is not divisible by 1 and 4 only but with 2 as well. The number 1 is neither a prime number, as it is only divisible by 1, that corresponds to itself, nor is it composite as it is not divisible with other numbers. The number 1 is a kind of special number. Example: find all prime numbers in the set of the first 100 natural numbers. Solution: 1 is not a prime number as explained previously. 2 is a prime number as it is divisible only by 1 and 2. However, all multiples of 2 are composite. Hence, prime numbers can be only odd. 3 is also a prime number, but all multiples of 3 are composite. 4 is a prime number, but all its multiples are not. 7 is a prime number, and its multiples are not. Hence, based on this method, we identify the following prime numbers shown on screen. That is all for lesson 1.5.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 1.5.4, Prime Factorization. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.